Today I'm going to show how to install the second calibration set on the HONDATA. You could have two calibrations on here. The way this works, you plug it in, you set your key onto the on position, you hold down data log. As you're holding down data log, you'll press program, you let go program, then you let go of data log, and it's going to upload the second program. If you hold program for 2 seconds, it will just upload the first program. So I'm going to go ahead and upload the second one, show it real quick. Alright, I have my HONDATA plugged in. Go ahead and put it onto the on position. Now I'm going to use both hands because I don't want to mess this up. But I'm going to go ahead and press this down and then press the other one. I tried to do it while I was filming. It wasn't happening. So I'm going to use both hands real quick. Alright, I have it resting on the shifter. So I'm going to go ahead and press the second one. Then press program. Then let go of program. And let go of data log. And that's going to upload the second one. So now it's going to go ahead and do its thing. There it is. I never get tired of this. I could sit here and watch this all day. And off she goes. It's so badass, man. I'll never get tired of that. Go, baby, go. And it's almost done. Check out that crazy let go. Sweet. Let's go ahead and turn it off and turn it on. And she starts. Well, guess there's only one thing we could do. See if it works. So with this revision of the crack and pop tune that I have customized, I should be getting some pops in between 1 to 2,000 RPM and 3 to 4,000 RPM. If I don't want any pops, I switch between 2 to 3,000 RPM. Technically, that's how it should work. Let's go find out. See what happens here. Woo! It works. It works. Sweet. Let's bring it up. Whee! Woo-hoo! Someone's getting pulled over for sure. Not if I switch here. If I switch here. I'm so tempted to do it on the VTEC section. I'm so tempted, so I can go ba 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 ba. Oh, ba ba ba. Oh, I'll probably spit flames for sure. Well, that's for the next one. Sorry I had to pull in because there's the one timer over there. The one time. You see it, it's gone. There it is. Boy, did I hella just jinx myself. I mean, I didn't get pulled over. I almost did. Fucking cop right there. Fucking HONDATA. Come here, you bitch. Come here, let me strangle you. You're gonna fucking get me in trouble. Nah, man, I fucking love it. I swear to God, this shit is so worth it. Check this shit out, bruh. Air fuel ratio. That shit is dope. Check this out, bro. Clutch in. Launch control. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each one's 1,000. Boom. So worth it. Just the cops don't like it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.